you want to make a margherita pizza in less than 15 minutes without making any dough at all, then this recipe is for you. Let's get started. For this margherita pizza, you're going to need some type of flatbread. I have a few samples here to show you, but of course you can use any type of flatbread you want. So this one, if you want to make like a nice, thick, traditional pizza, then you can use this Lebanese style flatbread, which is a bit thicker, really nice and soft. If you want to make a small one for one person, then you can use this Cyprus style pita bread, or even the Greek ones which are round. Or if you want to make a thin crust, then you can use this type of flatbread, which is like a really thin, also Lebanese style flatbread. You can even use Indian naan bread, anything works. Use your imagination or whatever you have available in your bakery. For margherita pizza, you really only need a few ingredients. The most important one, of course, the tomato base. Today we're using a ready one, and this one is by Bertolli, but you can of course use any type of tomato base, Italian style tomato base you want. I prefer one with basilico, and that works also really well with margherita. You'll need some tomatoes. I have some mozzarella, 2 types of mozzarella, and some oil, which I've infused with a bit of garlic. Now, before we add our pizza toppings, let's prepare our ingredients. Let's start with a little bit of tomato. And we'll slice that nice and thin to add to the top. Slice up a little bit of mozzarella. This works really well on top, it melts really nice into the pizza. Now add your bread of choice. We're gonna go for the thick Lebanese bread, I really like this one. And the first thing we do, we add a little bit of garlic infused olive oil, and this will separate the bread from the base, so you don't get a soggy bread once you've baked it. Give it a nice brush. Nice thick brush of oil, and then we add our tomato sauce. All right, now let's add a mozzarella cheese. Add the mozzarella slices. A few slices of tomato. Some fresh tomato on top is always nice. And last but not least, some fresh basil. Just cut a few pieces over your pizza. If you don't have fresh basil, just use dry, don't worry. Anything you got will work. And we're ready. We'll pop this in the oven, bake it at 220 degrees for about 10 to 15 minutes until everything is melted nicely together, and then we're ready. If you do want to learn how to make pizza dough from scratch, then you can check out my other video by clicking on the link here on the top. And that's how easy it is to make a flatbread margherita pizza in less than 15 minutes. And all that's left now is the taste test. So let's try it out. Absolutely amazing. Try it out. And make sure you subscribe, press that like button, and I'll see you next time.